Welcome everyone. Today we will find median of the group data. Exercise 14.3 question number 1. Here we are given monthly consumption of electricity in units and number of consumers. Here we are given total consumers 68. To find median, first of all we need to select a median class. And for the selection of median class, we need to make one more column, which is cumulative frequency. So here one more column of cumulative frequency, in short CF. Now we will find cumulative frequency for each class. For this class, the cumulative frequency is same, 4. Now for next class, the cumulative frequency will get by adding 4 and 5, which is 9. The cumulative frequency for the next class will be 13 plus 9, which is 22. Cumulative frequency for next class will get by adding 20 and 22, which is 42. For next class, the cumulative frequency will be 42 plus 14, which is 56. The next will be 56 plus 8, which is 64. And the cumulative frequency for last class will be 64 plus 4, that is 68. You can always check whether this column is made correctly or not. The last cumulative frequency will be as equal to the total of all the frequencies given. So the last cumulative frequency, or we can say the cumulative frequency for the last class, will be equal to the total frequencies. After making the column for cumulative frequency, we will have to select the median class. And how to select the median class? To find median class, find CF of all the classes which we have already calculated and n by 2. What is n by 2? N by 2 is sum of all the frequencies divided by 2. This is n by 2. Now median class is the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2. So these are the cumulative frequencies, and here the value of n by 2 is 68 by 2, which is 34. So 34. The median class will be the class which has cumulative frequency more than 34. So here more than 34 is this number. More than 34 and nearest to. So both things we have to take care. So 34 is n by 2. So this cumulative frequency we will choose, and therefore this will be the median class. This is the median class. This is lower limit. This is frequency. This is cumulative frequency we have to choose for the formula. We will not take this cumulative frequency. We will take the cumulative frequency of the preceding the median class. First of all, we'll write median class. Median class is 125 to 145. This is the median class, 125 to 145. N by 2 is 68 by 2, which is 34. L is the lower limit. Lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class is 125. Frequency of the median class. So frequency of the median class is 20, and H is the size of the class. Size of the class or class size. How to get class size? Whenever you subtract lower limit from upper limit, you will get the class size. 85 minus 65, 20. 105 will subtract 85 from 105, will get 20. If we subtract 105 from 125, we'll get 20. So the class size is 20. And cumulative frequency, we have to choose the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So we'll not take this CF, we'll take the CF of preceding the median class, means 22. This will be the CF. Here we have the formula to find median of group data. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. The value of lower limit was 125 plus n by 2 means 68 by 2 is 34 minus cumulative frequency 22, frequency 20 multiplied by 20. This 20 and this 20 can be cancelled. Here we will left with 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12, and you will get 137 units. This is the median of the data.